A circle has center G and points M and N lie on the circle. So let's go ahead and draw a circle. Label its center as G. And points M and N. So let's pick 2 points. They're M and N. Line segments MH and NH are tangent to the circle at points M and N respectively. So that means we got to draw tangents at M and N. So tangent meets the circle in just one point. So let's go ahead and draw a tangent here and also tangent here. And they both meet at H. MH and NH are tangent to the circle. If the radius of the circle is 168 millimeters and the perimeter of a quadrilateral. So anytime you're given a tangent, you know that it should be perpendicular to the radius. So if you were to join the radius and the tangent, they meet at right angles. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's a right angle, that's a right angle. This is 168 millimeters and this is also 168. And the perimeter of the quadrilateral GMHN is 3856. Now notice that the lengths of the tangents are equal. Now if you're not sure, refer to the geometry playlist. So these two segments are going to be equal. Let's call X. And all we need to now figure out is what is the distance in millimeters between G and H? Oh, actually we have to find out this distance between G and H. So it's really the length of the hypotenuse. So first we need to figure out X. And what we are given is that the perimeter is 3856. So let's go ahead and add up all these 168 plus 168 plus x plus x. That's the perimeter. 168, 168, xx is equal to 3856. Now 168 plus 168 is 336 and we can combine x and x, 2x equal to 3856. So subtract 336 from both sides. You get 3520 and then divide both sides by 2. You get 1760. Now notice this is 1760. We found X, but that's not the answer. We need to find out the distance between G and H. So we have a right triangle where the legs are 168 and 170. So GH will be equal to, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem. So GH square is 168 square plus 1760 square. So let's go ahead and find that out. 168 square plus 1760 square is some big number. Now we need to take the square root of that. So square root of our answer is 1768. So GH is 1768. So choice D is our answer.